If you've ever wished that Monday.com would automatically generate sub-items, assign owners, schedule dates, and link dependencies without manual setup, this video is going to change the way you manage projects. This workflow solves a limitation in native Monday.com functionality. Normally, Monday requires an item to exist before a dependency can be created. That means if you wanted templated sub-items with dependencies, it cannot be done through standard automations alone. But with Make.com, you can trigger everything instantly when a new item is created. Let me show you how this works. I have a project board with phases for upcoming, in progress, and complete. Inside the board, I have a hidden template group that includes 8 sub-items with preset owners and dependencies defined in order. When I add a new event or project, Make.com automatically duplicates those sub-items and applies the dependency chain for me. For example, if I create an item called Austin City Limits, the sub-items appear instantly. A moment later, the owner populates, the due dates fill in, and the dependencies sequence locks into place. If I shift the parent date, the entire timeline updates downstream. No manual updating. No tracking chaos. This is a powerful setup for event planning, project timelines, onboarding workflows, production schedules, construction phases, and any process where task order matters. If this is something you want inside your Monday workflow, book a discovery call using the link below. Thanks for watching.